Hello everyone, welcome back to the Coding Bus Live Day 10, and in this live we will see the more components about MIT App Inventor, and we'll see how we can use the sound and video effect. So let me just check that my live is working perfectly fine or not, the audio and everything. So let's wait a second and let me just check how it's working. Here we are. I'm just checking, opening the AI App Inventor. Let's see. Oh, this live is not I can see the live till now. I don't know, I need to wait some more seconds. Should I wait? Okay, let's see. Let's wait till live. It's still upcoming. It just says, oh, it's live. It's live. Thanks a lot. Cool, then that's great, that's fantastic. So guys, if you have any question, any doubt, anything issue, so just you can just just text me on chat. I will definitely reply you questions answered. So let's see the audio voice. Okay, good, great. So now what I'm gonna do here, let's open the MIT App Inventor. Here we are. Yesterday we have learned how we can use the timer component. Okay, now in this live we are going to discuss about the other component as like sound and effect. Yeah, we have to learn more about the sensor. In the upcoming videos we'll learn. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna just click on the start new project and just say here audio, video, and okay. Cool. Here now let me just check if there is any question or any issue or any problem with you. Okay, so I'm just checking here. Okay, no issue, no problem. That's fantastic. Good. So here what I'm gonna do here, here I'm gonna show you that what is the use of go to the media and see the option of sound, player, and the video. So in the media section, you will see here a lot of things as like camcorder. Okay, this is something like to record the video, right? This is for camera. This is file picker to pick the file, image picker for picking the image. This is the player and this is the sound. What is the difference between player and sound? So see, it's different. Whenever you want to play some bigger sound, is like you have a full audio like 5 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute, then you should use the player because you're playing the full length of song or something. But it's a sound is something if you want to whenever someone click on the button and they want try to just use one sound once I click on the button, so that should be there should be some sound. Or if some in a game any enemy hit the hero or hero hit the enemy or something like that, we'll use here some sound option for a very few seconds. Then we should use the sound, this one, sound recorder. We know all that. Okay, how to record the sound. Speech recognizer is a component that can get the input in a voice input. So if I just say hello, so that can recognize what I have said. Like if I just say hello, so they can we can use a text to speech to repeat that text. If I just say hello, so that app can also say hello. We already have created talking tom game. Okay, this is the concept for talking tom game. You can also create your own talking tom game using both component. Okay, translator to translate all the text from other languages, and video player to play the video. So now let's do one thing. Let's see how this will work. Okay, so let's sound. If suppose there is a let's do one by one. Like let's suppose player. Here's a player. This is the non-visual component. Now I want to play some song, so I'm going to use here the one button, and once I click on this button, so that sound should play. I'm going to make it center like this, and I'm going to change that button name to the play or something, play song like this. Okay, play sound like this. So whenever you click on this, that should play something. Okay, so we need to add here audio. So how we can do this? So in the right side we'll see, click on the player option. Here we have just drag and drop, and see the source option. Click on source, and we need to upload one mp3 file here. How we can do this? So I have some free files, so let's download it. Go to the incognito, open the file like Pixabay free sounds like this, or free music, you can say, sound effect for download. So I'm going to use your sounds, so you can use the any sound or music or anything. So all these are just a sound actually, so you can use the music also. Okay, so I'm going to use this sound. Let's see, display. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to use here the any sound. You can use any sound, so I'm going to just download this. Okay, like this, sorry, and then we need to wait some seconds. It's loading. Oh, it's downloaded. It's on our download folder. We have the file here, mp4 file, mp3 or mp4. Let's click on upload file, click on choose file, and I'm gonna just see that this will here or not. And here we are in the download, and as you can see here, mp3 file, yes. And just open this file and click on OK. Now this will not play once I click on the button. I need to do the basic coding. So go to the block. Once people click on the button 1 like this here, and once they click on the button 1, so we need to perform some action. So we can start the player, this one. So song start playing like this. Okay, now if you want to stop this, so how you can do that? It's simple. Let's go to the, I'm going to use the another button for this. Just copy paste, play song, and this one is for a stop sound something. Okay, so like stop song like this. Go block, and we have button 2, player.start. So just delete this, click on player again, and see the stop. But once you stop it and once you play again, so that will start from the again from 0, okay, from scratch. But once you do the pause option here, so that will start from the current option, right? This one, pause option. So this is the basic for to play the song or stop the sound. Now for the same like sound component, doing the same thing, go to the media, is like sound. Here we have component, go to the source option like this, select that option. Okay, go block. Once you click on again start, so you can just do the same thing, play, resume, stop like this. Got it? So this is really very basic thing. You can use this in any games, any app creation, or anywhere. Now I want to show you that how we can use the video player. So in the left side you'll see the video player option. Just drag and drop this here. Now if you want to play the video here, so how we can add the video? So again I need to just use the video, like go to the Pixabay video, Pixabay is really amazing thing that will provide you the free of cost everything, and it's really useful. I'm really thankful for the Pixabay, okay, because he's providing the free of cost sound, music, images, and everything, and it's really good for the beginners or the people, for the everyone. So here you can see we have a video 4K. I'm not gonna use the 4K because it will take a lot of space. Okay, so I'm gonna just use this is HD. So I'm trying to find some video resolution and any so I'm gonna use here one video like this, but this is a 4K, this is also 4K. I just wanna use any normal video like this. Oh, this is also animated wallpaper. I'm gonna use this. Click on the download button like this, and I'm gonna just download this 2 MB file. Click on download. Let me show you how you can implement that video to the app. So go here, that's the video player here. Now just save it in the download folder. Let's go to the source option again, upload file, click on choose file, and we need to just select our video from source that we have just added here. This one, just open this and just okay. So that video will play like this. Okay, now if you want to play on the button click or something, so you can do the block coding for that also from the block section. From go to the here, okay, and just click on the video player like this, and you can see here get duration. You can start this like this here. Good. So that's really very basic to use the video or the audio, or how we can play the audio or how we can play the video. It's simple as that. Now there are a lot more components. Okay, so which component we should start? I think like text to speech, because this is really important. So I'm gonna just drag and drop this, and this is also a non-visual component. It means suppose you clicked on one button, okay, or I'm gonna just say here like this is the button, okay, and I'm gonna use one text box also, and I want that like my app should say whatever I put in this text box, okay. So that app will tell, like I'm gonna just off this video, okay, like this. So how this will work? Let's go to the block section here, and I'm gonna do one thing here. Whenever someone click on the button 3 like this, okay, here, so I need to play the sound. So text to speech call, and see call text to speech means speak, and message is our text box one dot text. This one, this is really amazing feature for the beginners. It's really fantastic. It's really good, cool. So once you click on the button 3, that will say something whatever you put here in that text box. That's really cool, right? Now let's see how we can work with the speech recognizer. So here in the C left side you'll find the media. Go again, just drag and drop the speech recognizer also. Let's go to the block section. So let's see the properties of speech recognizer. As you can see here, after getting text, before getting text, and get text. So the most important property is that get text, because we need to get the text. How we can get that? So we need to use any button or something. So I'm going to use here that another button like this, button 4 like this. Let's go to the block, and once I click on this button 4 like this here, and I need to just click on the speech recognizer and just say get text like this. So once I click on this, so one pop-up will come up to our phone, and that will say you need to say something. You can disable that pop-up also while just for that just click on speech recognizer and just use the uncheck that use legacy option. Now you need to say something. Whatever you say, we can collect that text also. Click on speech recognizer and see after getting text. So after getting text, we can display that text anywhere. Like I'm going to just display that text in the text box one dot text. So here you can see the set text box one dot text, and that should be our result like this. Fantastic. So all these are very useful components, okay, and we have learned that how we can use the speech recognizer. We have learned how we can use sound, media, and all. Now let me show you how we can use the camera also. So it's really easy. Drag and drop the camera. Again, you need to use any button or something. Click on the camera component. You see that take picture like this. Now I'm gonna call this on the button 1 here, okay, and then I'm gonna just do one more thing, because once we take a picture, so we can't see that picture anywhere. So we need to set that picture in our phone. So for that I'm gonna use here the user interface and just drag and drop one image here like this. Go to the block, and after taking the picture, we need to set that picture in our phone. So here you will see the image option like this, and just set picture like this, but make sure this is not mp3 file. That should be image that we taken from a button click like this. So that's the overall useful of component, media component, how we can use it, how we can do this, okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, okay. And yeah, build a music player. Like now how we can create a music player app? So it's really very easy. Let's click on start new project and say here music player app, and okay. Now let's build that app. Oh, hello everyone. Hello Advait, how are you? FPS बहुत कम है. Oh, FPS is very low. I'm sorry, Advait. I'll increase this FPS. So where I can see that FPS, like go to the setting option, and I'm gonna just increase that FPS. I'm sorry, I can't see that. I'm sorry, I need to say it before. No smooth playback, low FPS, only audio fine. Okay, Prince, can you see the video smooth? Okay, Sir, can we earn money when integrating Google AdWords with them? Okay, Prince. Hi, Prince. I'll give you the answer. Like, let me just stream, go to the here, but I can't. Okay, survey. Okay, maximum audio bitrate is fine. Maximum video bitrate is also 51,000. So it's enough. I don't see. Okay, so I'm gonna just do one thing is like.